Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke alloys, 18 inches. The tires are still in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, nice dark wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for media display. Cup holders. Our turn wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 23,968 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.